Greetings of the day to all of you scholars. In the series of oratory, today I will tell you about the reinventing of Epideictic Oratory. Dear scholars, previously in the lectures we have discussed about reinventing of deliberative oratory and reinventing of judicial oratory. In the series of this oratory, today we are going to discuss and highlight on the Epideictic Oratory. Dear scholars, I may tell you where the Epideictic Oratory is to be used. It is used in the ceremonial functions. Dear friends, under this scheme of oratory, the scholars, the statesmen, the administrators uses the virtue and vice. The virtue refers to the good deeds of the persons, those who have done good things in the nation building, in upgradation of the life of the masses and the citizens, and has created abundance for the people of the country for their development and to procure all the things for their safety, security, and freedom from hungerness and starvation. So, in this regard, the most attractive orations are given by the Pericles. He spoke in favor of the brave men, those who fought in the war and brought laurels and freedom to the country. Likewise, statesmen also do the good things for the nation, and in this series of good deeds of the persons, these ceremonies take place on the days of festivals, holidays, and further it is as a mark of respects to the brave persons, those who contributed in the nation building, character building, and disciplined life of a country. Yes, scholars, we must not forget that it talks of the past time. But from the past events, we can also make a plan and think for better future by reminding their sacrifices, their contribution, their good deeds in the nation building. So, dear scholars, earlier I have referred the details with regard to the deliberative oratory and judicial oratory. In the series of this, the epideictic becomes very important because the examples can be taken from the good deeds of the brave and good persons, those who sacrificed their life for the betterment of the country. In this regard, we must also not forget the advancement of tools, technology, science, and other developments simultaneously, because we have reached from the liberalism, socialism, public-private partnership, globalization. Further, the boundaries are being narrowed down. Therefore, this didactic oratory becomes very important not only with regard to the good deeds of particular persons from a specific country, but at the level of world at large, because the boundaries of the nation are being narrowed down on account of globalization. Interaction between the global leaders is going to be closer and closer. So, the series on the oratory today goes to its conclusion. But some more important points will be taken up in some more lecture to clarify the things, taking into consideration the science and technological development and interaction with the global leaders for the betterment of not only the country but in making the peaceful new world order. Thank you.